Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Airy Cloth France reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, and you can see it is an online e-commerce portal which offers cheap women's fashion clothing products including dresses, blouses, sweaters, bottoms, shoes, coats, hoodies, t-shirts, bags and jewelry options. Yes guys, this is one of the biggest e-commerce platforms that is offering clothing options and various other accessories as well, and the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Apart from that, the sale is going on and you can get up to 90% off on various clothing options. So this is an amazing thing about this site, that they are offering huge and massive discounts. That is why the Airy Cloth France is known for its affordable prices and huge or massive deals. Now guys, let's talk about the payment information of this website. And so here is the payment method section, and they have mentioned that the modes of payment which are available on the site are Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, Discover, American Express, JCB, and Diners Club International options. So guys, these are the payment options, and you can also make the payment via PayPal or wire transfer. Now talking about the shipping policy of this website, let's check out the shipping policy. For that you need to visit the shipping info section, and here they have mentioned the processing duration, which is 1 to 7 business days, and for shipping they have mentioned the standard shipping duration will be 7 to 15 business days and the standard shipping cost will be rupees 374. So guys, you can read the entire information for your knowledge and convenience. Apart from that, if you want to track your order, then you need to click on how to track for more information. Now let's talk about other information. But guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, talking about the first and important factor, this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. And apart from that, talking about the domain information of the site, the domain name was created on 12th of January 2017. So guys, this site is more than 3 years old website, and this shows that this website is a legit website. Now coming to the company's info, you need to visit the About Us page to know more about this site. And here they have mentioned the entire information related to brand connection info, their offering information, and they have provided enough info regarding their team and why you need to visit this site, etc. So they have also mentioned the delivery information here again and mission, etc. So this is a positive sign here. Now talking about the contact details of the site, let's visit the contact us page. So guys, here they have mentioned the query form as well, and here they have mentioned the official address and contact number, which is a positive sign. And apart from that, support center, in heading support center you will get an online form to reach the support department. So this is again a positive sign. And they have mentioned some questionnaires regarding order status, package, estimate delivery date, etc, etc. So you can read the info for your knowledge and convenience. Apart from that, you can also subscribe, or you can also track your order, guys. Now let's talk about the return policy or social media presence of this website. So guys, you can see the site has strong social media presence on Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest and Instagram, which is a positive sign. And coming to the return policy, you need to visit the return policy section. So guys, they have mentioned 14 days of return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And talking about Airy Cloth France reviews, so yes, we have found majority of positive reviews or mixed reviews about this site on the on the site and as well as on the internet. Apart from that, few customers are not satisfied with the delivery status and with the quality of the products, and one of the customers said excellent quality, highly recommend this seller, definitely would buy from the seller again. However, another customer gave 1 star due to the bad customer service and some other reason. So guys, some customers are not satisfied with the material of the clothes and they are disappointing. However, every cloth customer representatives replied to their queries as well, which is a positive sign. So guys, yes, total mixed reviews are there. The website is popular, but yes, the trust index score of this site is 21%, which is a negative sign, guys. However, all the details are available on the website, including offerings and including contact details, company's info, social media existence as well. So yes, in the final conclusion, we would say the website is a legit website, guys, but we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.